Everyone in this room has had that day. You're locked in from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., and suddenly a Slack message comes in. Now you're context switching between emails, meetings, Slack messages, back to back. Then you look up at the time and you realize you didn't do much. One distraction and your productivity went down a cliff. Where did the time really go? Students face this exact problem on their assignments and projects. They have zero visibility into how their time actually disappears. Tools like digital well-being give you surface-level numbers that tell you nothing actionable. And screen time isn't the problem. Understanding the quality of that time is. And right now, no tool gives you ownership of your data, while also helping you understand and change your own behavior. That's why we developed SnapBack. SnapBack watches how you work and classifies every minute into 3 buckets: deep work, shallow work, or distraction loops. It deeply understands your behavior patterns locally. It knows you lose focus at 2 p.m. on Tuesdays. It knows checking Slack 14 times in an hour isn't collaboration, it's avoidance. It uses that understanding to anticipate when you're about to lose focus and intervenes in real time. The AI is the scaffolding that helps you to lock in and do your work. The classification and pattern detection is powered by a local Gemma 4 model running entirely on your machine without API calls or cloud inference. Your behavioral data stays local and never touches a server. SnapBack ships with accessibility features like colorblind mode, reduced motion, and support for 4 languages out of the box. Our team members have combined their expertise in data science, full-stack engineering, and business strategy to turn raw behavioral data into insights people will actually use. We used Kiro's spec-driven development to define requirements, architecture, and task breakdowns before writing a single line of code. Agent hooks auto-generated our time classification and time-stamping logic. Steering docs kept 3 developers aligned on the same architecture throughout the build. We built custom Kiro skills, a security audit skill to validate our local first privacy promise, an interface consistency skill to catch contract drift, and a commit message skill to enforce conventional commits across the team. The student learns their own patterns and builds their own discipline. SnapBack predicts when you'll lose focus, intervenes before you spiral, and never sends a single byte off your machine. That's not a feature, that's a philosophy.